everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Are you looking for a chicken curry which can be easily made, requires least of the ingredients and tastes a little different from your usual chicken curry? Then today's recipe is for you. I am going to share a very easy lemon pepper chicken with you that can be easily made and requires very less time. So without further ado, let's get started. But before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's begin. Marinate the chicken. I have taken 1.5 kgs of chicken, zest and juice of 3 lemon, some pepper powder, ginger garlic paste, salt to taste and around 1.5 cups of dahi जो कि मैंने अच्छे से फेंट लिया है. I will put all of these into my chicken and marinate it for 30 minutes to 1 hour. If you have more time at hand, you can definitely marinate this chicken a day before and keep it in your fridge ready to cook it the next day. In a hot kadai, I will put 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil and around 1.5 tablespoon of butter. Butter will make this recipe to the next level and trust me, the flavor will be awesome. For khada masalas, I have put few peppercorns and 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks. Once the whole masalas are fragrant in the kitchen, I will put few ginger juliennes and some garlic chopped. Now this step is completely optional. While marinating the chicken, I have already put ginger garlic paste and you can increase it at that time itself. However, I just love the curry to have that fresh ginger julienne and garlic chopped. Hence I am adding this to my curry as well. Now I will put the marinated chicken into this oil butter mixture and fry the chicken for around 7 to 8 minutes. At this point in time, I will not put the complete marination but just the chicken and let them fry for 7 to 8 minutes. It's been around 7 to 8 minutes. I will uncover the chicken. It's no more pink. At this point in time, I will add half of the chopped coriander. I will leave the rest of the half for garnishing. This will give a very fresh coriander flavor into my curry. I will put around 1.5 teaspoon of more pepper powder and the leftover marination. If you are not a coriander fan, you can completely skip the coriander from your chicken. I will also put around 2 lime juices here. So in total, I have used 5 limes or lemon in this chicken curry because the sizes of them were not very big. You can increase or decrease the juice of the lemon basis the size. I will now cook it for around 25 to 30 minutes. I will cover it and then cook it in a medium flame. So it's been around 25 to 30 minutes. I will check on my chicken. This looks absolutely perfect. I need this much of gravy. To balance the tartness of this chicken, I will add around a teaspoon of sugar. At this point in time, I will also do a salt check and add if needed. I will also add the slit green chilies to my recipe, around 7 to 8. You can increase or decrease. To make this sauce thicker, I will put some cornstarch slurry. I have taken 1.5 tablespoon of cornstarch and half a cup of water to it. I will make a slurry and then put it in my curry and then cook it for another 4 to 5 minutes, and that's it. My lemon pepper chicken is ready. Garnish it with some coriander. Do try this recipe with parathas or plain white rice or jeera rice or even puri if you want to, and do try this recipe at home. Let me know at the comment section below if you and your family enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please do subscribe to my channel. It will mean the world to me. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.